Okay.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. We're here at my man Ali Swap Depot. You know, I locked him in the trunk, so I'm taking over this week. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this here bumper off this E90, and we're gonna get started. And we're gonna take that turd and we're gonna wrap it with that turd color right there. All right, let's go.
I'm actually here.
Damn, why you had to ruin it? Why'd you have to ruin it, man? Let's come and tell them I was taking over for the week, you know?
Yeah, so that guy was
Just here.
Brother Craig.
Fight the power.
Yes. So that's
And by power, I mean the BMW power.
that's the guest of the week. So we have new headlights, new bumper, we got some wrap, we got the E90, E36 still broken, but no one cares about that one right now. So we're gonna take off the bumper, take off the headlights because this shit's ugly. And then, yeah, put shit back together and pray that it works.
We're gonna do something.
Yeah.
We're gonna get it together. You know, so
All right. Yes.
let's get this work.
Obviously, the first thing we're gonna do is take off this bumper that's already about to fall off. I got a little bit of leakage. That's from washing the car. If it's not obvious, you do have to wash your car before you wrap the car. Just saying. And that's because if you don't wash your car, then you're gonna have a bunch of crap on top of the paint, and good luck wrapping the car afterwards. Yeah. And there's a bolt missing here. Wait, no. What the fuck is that?
And we're back.
Nah, I'm just kidding. I don't know what the fuck is going on with the front end of this car, but I watched it a decent amount of times before. And that looks like, you know, when you go to a body shop and you leave the car outside for fucking like 3 years.
Looks like a avocado had sex with another avocado that was much uglier and fucked.
Anyways, I don't know what the hell he's talking about, but that looks like just dust. Doing the EADM headlights.
As you can see them in their natural habitat, the lion pounces
Pretty good
across
voice
the
actually.
field. We have the Asian lion and the southern lion. Booty.
Yeah. We couldn't record because this required a 3-person.
And there's only 2 of us, so we had to conjure another.
Yeah. But now we're, I guess, attempting to wrap the bumper. And so far, it's going okay, I guess. Wouldn't say it's going great.
Look at those curves.
I think I know what I'm doing for the most part. But I won't be the judge of that until I finish these corners.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the next day. This is what we got so far. Got a headlight in, and he's zip tying some shit down there.
So I can drive the car? Yes.
So I will be taking off. I'm going back home for a little while. I guess I won't see you guys' faces for a while, but it's okay. I still love all of you. I love you, Ollie.
Shut up.
I don't think he loves me.
Hello.
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 Hello. Hello, Mike.
This don't look like a BMW. It's a weird one. It's probably the new. What's after G? H80. That's the new H80, dog.
The new one.
Yeah. So today is the continuation of our wrapping journey that's been going on for probably like months. Yeah, so we're gonna continue with our journey, and it's gonna be a long journey by a couple of hours and some beers and some things. That's why we got help, and we got a H80 on the lift, so we're good. Yeah. Hello, pussy. Yeah.
Got that boat.
Alright, Zach, break it down. What we doing? You don't know what the hell we're doing.
No, I don't. We're gonna try to wrap the car.
Yeah, so this whole entire piece, oh god, gotta be a one-piece deal. And we have, I don't know how much we have, but we have this much of wrap left. And if we mess this up, most likely the car's not gonna get wrapped the rest of the way. So we gotta do this strategically and make sure we do it right. So remove door handles, remove this trim, mirror cap. I already wrapped one, which is right here. Looks pretty nice, I like. We already wrapped the trim all the way around. There's some chrome showing, but that's gonna be fixed. The back, the bumper's been wrapped for like a decade now. The front bumper was actually wrapped by Guardian Wraps. I'm not gonna take credit for that one. And then the fenders were wrapped by me. So yeah, let's get to it. A million years later, it's done.
Wow.
Looks good.
On camera, dude, it looks 110%. I'm not even gonna lie.
It just, certain areas are not as good, like here. And then you have here. But that was the first panel that got wrapped, which was the rear bumper.
That was called the learning phase.
Yeah. That's why there's a air bubble here. Yeah, and we can't get rid of it because every time we heat it up, it just goes back up.
We overstretched it.
Then the front bumper was actually wrapped by Guardian Wraps because I attempted 3 times.
Let's go look at it. That is mint right there.
Yeah, and then the bumper has to be readjusted as well because the headlights fit kind of weird. There's a gap. The hood is obviously not wrapped because I'm not wasting wrap on
A pre-LCI hood.
pre-LCI hood that doesn't even fit. So you got the pig face right here. Yeah. Yeah. If you got the money, just pay somebody to do this.
It's
Because this was like, what,
like a 2-month project, dude.
2-month project, and the car was like, it looked like a zebra driving around.
Yeah.
In person, I would say like, I'd give it a 7 out of 10.
Fair enough.
Because when your car was wrapped, it was definitely way better than this.
Yeah. Well, I mean, the guys at home watching this won't be able to see any imperfections.
Yeah.
Unless you really zoom
on
into
video, it looks perfect. It looks like the car's mint. Plus, I hate the hood. That's an eyesore right now. I hate it.
Yeah.
It looks like
it's black, but it's not. It's blue in person.
Yeah. Yeah, we're inside of the shop. That's why.
And then yeah, also the mirror caps. I forgot. That is wrapped as well, so it would be like so. But I can't put it on because we don't have the seal, and the seal is expensive.
Hmm.
So yeah, if anybody has shadow line trim, hit me up. But yeah, so that eyelids, new headlights, and the wrap,
Yeah.
and that's let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mods
Wow.
to what's it called? What's that shit called? Transform your exterior.
Yeah.
Yeah, completely.
5 mods that completely transformed this man's exterior.
Completely.
Completely.
And the wheels look dirty.
If they look clean on camera, you know how that works.
Yeah, well, they're definitely dirty.